This video is sponsored by Galaxy. Have your sales taken a nosedive? There's lots of reasons why our sales slow down as resellers. Maybe it's a slower season, like summer slowdown, or that period after the holidays when everyone is just done with spending money. Maybe you've slowed down, or had a lot going on, or just taken a break from your closet or store. My name is Ashley, and I'm a reseller based in Toronto, Ontario, Canada, and I have definitely experienced some slow seasons in my business. Whether you're experiencing a slower period right now and you want to get out of it, or you're looking for some tips to overcome a slow season in the future, in this video, I'm going to be sharing 4 strategies to help you start making sales again. Tip number 1 is to get back to consistency. If you've watched any of my other videos, you know that I talk about consistency a lot, and consistency in your reselling business is just key. When sales slow down, it's not the time to dilly-dally around. Yes, it just said dilly-dally. You want to take a look at the behaviors that help you to make sales and get consistent with those. This might include listing new items, relisting or freshening up stale listings, sharing your closet on Poshmark, or sending out offers. These are all great areas for you to be consistent. When it comes to listing new stuff, I don't think there's a special sauce or magic number that you need to hit, but it means that there's going to be more eyeballs on your closet, a higher chance for people to see something that they like, and maybe just bring traffic to other items that folks might not have seen. I've recently figured out that I really enjoy doing my listing at night. I make sure all my photos are loaded up, I put something mindless on my iPad, and I just sit there and list away. Figuring out a time that works for me and doing my listing then has helped me to be even more consistent with listing in my business. I love writing down goals in my planner and checking them off throughout the week. It's a great reminder to be consistent, and I know that those small actions add up and lead to big results. This is your business and you get to choose how to do things. So figure out the areas where you need to be consistent and get to it. My second tip would be to try something new. While consistency is always important and beneficial, sometimes you just gotta shake things up. And if your sales have slowed down, why not try something new? You've got nothing to lose. There's lots of ways you could do this as a reseller. You could try listing items from a new category, try a new platform, or host a live sale. And that's where Galaxy comes in. Galaxy is a new live stream shopping app that allows you to host live sales or shows right within their app. It's kind of like if a live streaming video platform and a reselling app had a baby. Galaxy makes it easy to go live, make money, and connect with your community. Shoppers who join your show can purchase products with one tap using Apple Pay, Google Pay, or credit card. I love that Galaxy gives you analytics and insights into how your products and your shows are doing. And you can connect with your community via text, which is really cool. Galaxy has already launched in the UK, and they're getting ready to launch here in Canada and the US. You can check out the link in my bio to learn more about Galaxy, and also RSVP to receive a text when I'm going live with my first show. During the show, I'll have some great items for sale, I'll be chatting with y'all and sharing some behind the scenes into some of my favorite pieces. As a viewer, there's no app for you to download, you'll just join via the link and check it out. When you're going through a slower period in your reselling business, it can be a great time to try something new and spice things up a little bit. And thanks again to Galaxy for sponsoring today's video. My third tip for when things slow down would be to have a sale. Are there items that you're just ready to say goodbye to? Mark them down and say farewell. If you think about retail stores during those slower seasons that I talked about at the beginning, those are the times that they're putting items on sale to make room for new merchandise. And you can do the same. A slower season can be the perfect time to host a sale and get those items moving. Maybe you do it via a live sale, a show on Galaxy, or just marking down your items on Poshmark, eBay, or whatever other platforms you sell on. You will be grateful to say farewell to the items that you're just sick of seeing, and your buyers will be happy for a deal. If you use social media, be sure to talk about your sale there, and maybe message buyers or folks who demonstrated interest in items to let them know that they might be able to snag a deal. This strategy has really worked well for me during slower seasons or at the end of the month when I'm trying to work towards a goal. I've often marked items down, sent aggressive offers, and that has got the momentum building, and I really love this strategy. My fourth tip would be to start listing items for the upcoming season. As I'm making this video, fall is just around the corner, I'm sorry, and folks are already starting to think ahead to fall fashion, back to school, cooler temperatures, and the holidays. Things like jeans, coats, sweaters, boots, bags. While I think that you can sell items all year round, I mean, I sold Christmas ornaments in July. Having items ready for the upcoming season means that you'll be there and top of mind when folks start to look for those items. Are there things for the upcoming season sitting in your money pile, your death pile, or just like a corner in your closet somewhere? Do you have any seasonal items that didn't sell last year that maybe you could relist or freshen up in some way? This can also be a really good time to learn about what's trending for the upcoming season, which will help to guide you when you're outsourcing. Use a slower period to get ahead and start listing those seasonal items. When sales have slowed down in your business, is there anything that's helped you? Be sure to let us know down in the comments. Well, it would be amazing if sales just kept rolling in day after day, season after season. That isn't always the case. Take control of your business and use these tips to overcome any slower seasons you might encounter. I know how discouraging it can be when sales slow down, but remember that your consistency will pay off as your efforts compound. Maybe try something new like a live sale or a show on Galaxy, move some of your stale items with a sale, and start listing pieces for the upcoming season. You've got this. I would high five, but you're not here, and this is a video. I tried. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like, and if you're not already subscribed, now would be an awesome time to do so. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Bye, friends!